entering your
His levels are faint. He locked himself away to guard the pillars.
Sentinel. You're coming home, old friend.
You're telling me Sam's heading into that? Poor kid. He probably never got close. So you can fly this thing, right? What is that? What is that? What does that mean? So you can so fly this thing?
We're right behind you.
Alright, we're going in.
The city is secure. The humans cannot stop us. As the afternoon falls, the rest of the pillars will reach their destinations. This is the victory I promised you so many years ago, where we rebuild Cybertron. Together, I have agreed to work with you, that our world may survive. Never work for you. And you would be wise to remember the difference.
Oh my gosh, scary.